Awesome. Welcome, everybody. Joel here, followed by Roger, C-Bone, Kuhn, Sean, Bruno. I don't want to miss anybody. Oh, hold on a second. Bruno. Oh, and Ricky. Let me get Ricky in here. Awesome. I also want to give a shout out to a lot of the, well, I don't want to say a lot of the individuals that I see on here every single day, like Kuhn, Ricky. Ricky makes an attempt, even though I know Ricky is at work. Bruno's on here pretty often, same as you, Sean. So again, guys, really appreciate you guys attending. Today was actually supposed to be an opportunity session. We've been so busy. It's the early of 2022. We invited some prospects. However, unfortunately, as of right now, there's none on here. But we're not going to make this Tuesday be a wasteful Tuesday. We're going to go ahead and share whatever it is that's on our heart. So welcome, everybody. Again, thank you guys for attending. I'm going to leave the floor open for anybody that wants to share anything or have questions pertaining to anything. And while I do that, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to open up my bot real quick, not to show you the bot, but so we can look at what BTC is doing.
Rather good.
Yes. Roger, can you read, if you can remember, the question that you asked? I think it was 2 days ago, pertaining to the price of BTC. What did you ask?
I was just about to mention that. Funny. I was asking. Yeah, I was asking.
Roger, you're frozen like this.
Will Bitcoin hit 30K this week? Will it hit? Hello?
Yeah, you're breaking up a little bit, buddy. We can hear you now.
I'm breaking up. Yeah. All right. So the question was, or the poll was, will Bitcoin hit 30K this week? Will it hit 40K this week? Will it hit both? And I made a spell fault. It will be a volatile week. It will hit both. Or it will hit none of those. And we will go sideways. And I'm pleased to see that we've actually had so far, last time I checked, we have 20 votes, which is around 12% of our entire members within the Telegram group. So I love everybody participating in it.
All right, so I got it pulled open. It says that we currently have 21 votes. 14% of the community, we're not going to pick on anybody that said 30K, but 14% of you guys said that you thought that it was going to go down to 30K. And again, we could still go any which way. 38% said 40K. This is actually what I predicted. 43%, which is the majority, voted none of the above. We're going sideways. And then 5% said, we will see both. This is going to be, he said volition, but as he mentioned, volatile. So yeah, it will be awesome if we have already experienced the lows. And I'm sure many of us follow the same technical analysis professionals on YouTube. And many of them are saying that we've in fact seen the lows, but then there's also another 50% that say the opposite, that they believe that we could potentially go down as far as 20,000 or even below. But like I say all the time, we're in this for long term. I'm in this for long term. So it really doesn't matter what happens with the price. My approach is going to be the same unless it just goes to the roof, you know, parabolic, and then we're going to go ahead and secure some profits. But apart from that, I'll share with you guys some of what's taking place with my bot. As the market continues to go up, it's not just BETC and ETH, all with the exception of a couple of my pairs are in the green. Same 20 pairs that I've been trading. And then LCX as well as ADA are still. If that was a sneeze, God bless you.
Thanks.
Apart from that, you guys know I've mentioned Ratcoin. I usually go to Bolodex. We have a separate account, but I go here to look at the price as well as to see the orders on Bolodex, volume, the buy and the selling. But yeah, I know that, man, my throat. I know that again, with these memes, it's very, very risky. But the more I look into it, the more that I like. I've been silent within the Telegram communities as well as their Discord. Excuse me, as well as their Discord, and I'm liking what I'm seeing. I'm quiet. I'm behind the scenes. There's a lot of question marks pertaining to the development group behind this, but being that it's 9 billion tokens, or excuse me, coins in circulation, in the event that this coin sees any type of growth. I mean, we've already seen what we've invested in double, at least double since we've done that. But in the event that this token, or excuse me, this coin does take off, I mean, right now, for those of us that are holding on to this, we're going to see some substantial profits. Apart from that, I know there's some other ones. Kinu, I think is that what it calls? What it's called, Roger? Kinu.
Issue.
Kishu Inu is another one if you want to share that one, Kuhn or Roger. But yeah, no, I want to dive more into meme coins in 2022 and spend a good portion of the education. Oh, Jack entered. This is probably a prospect. It's not Bombardum, but I spent a lot of time on NFTs, potential NFTs, and being that we have our own community. I know we've discussed this in the past, but creating our own NFTs. You know what I'm saying? Welcome, Jack.
Welcome, brother Jack, out of South Africa.
Welcome, Jack. Is that your guy, Sean?
Yeah.
Awesome. So we'll give him a second to.
We grew up together. Let him just connect his audio there. And I'll ask him every Tuesday until he can pay the subscription.
Most definitely.
Welcome, Jack, out of South Africa.
You know what we're gonna?
Hello.
Welcome, Jack. Thank you for being here, buddy. We're gonna do something
Can you hear
special.
me?
Loud and clear.
Awesome.
We're gonna do something special for you today. Being that you're here and you're our only prospect, but we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna get into the presentation. Please give me a second to get set up. Second.
Roger, did you check the correlation between McDonald's and some of these coins?
Sorry, one more time?
Did you see the correlation between McDonald's and some of the altcoin prices? There's a guy that found a trend between McDonald's price and the Bitcoin price.
I have heard about it, but yeah, that's about it, to be honest. But honestly, I haven't been to McDonald's for a few days.
I haven't been for a few years, so that's okay. I make my own McDonald's in the kitchen.
Wow, most of the times that even tastes better as well. So
Exactly.
yeah. I got my snack ready.
So, how's your gaming going there, Roger? Is it going good?
My gaming, honestly, this one game I've shared before that I've made my first 82 gaming dollars with. I made my first claim of it was 40 coins with at the time a worth of $82, and actually I need about half a coin, then I can make my next withdrawal, my next claim. And my idea on it is until I earn my investment back, I'll just keep earning the 40 coins, claim them, sell them immediately to BUSD, until I have my investment back. But at the moment,
Yeah.
I'm already at 50% within a month. I started the game January 8th, and the way it's going right now, I'll be able to make a claim every week.
Oh, nice one. So you built yourself up to this point.
Yep. So
Brilliant. Well done.
When the price will stay stable the way it is like this, I'll break even on the game, on my investment in the game within 3 weeks max.
Oh, okay, well done. So you're getting there. As the progress. Now, I always say progress over perfection.
Definitely. And in addition to that, I wasn't in early on this game, and most of the time they say you gotta get in early. I wasn't, and I still make good money on it. So that's to me, yeah,
Awesome.
music to my.
Thank you so much, Roger.
It shows me the potential within it.
Awesome.
No problem.
Awesome. All right, real quick, gentlemen, can you guys see my screen?
Yeah, we can.
Awesome. Jack, thank you so much for attending. You're our only prospect today. We were just going to be casual, but I'm going to run through this presentation, and then we're going to bless you with something at the end of this session just for you attending and being here today. For you, if you don't know what Santiago Academy is, Jack, it is, let me blow this up first. We're a crypto community. I know we've specialized in AI, artificial intelligence. We use a bot. I spoke with a member today that hasn't been around. Oop, I see somebody trying to get in. Sorry, move this out the way. Johnny Walker, who's one of our members. But yeah, I had a member that hasn't been that's in our community that hasn't been with on the sessions. And I would say probably 6 months, 5 or 6 months. She was one of the early success stories, got in, she shared a meme coin, she invested in it, it blew up, she made a lot of money, and then since then she hasn't attended. But what she stated on here is she's coming up to her subscription. It's her annual subscription, which is $100 for 12 months. And it breaks down to less than $10 a month, or Roger says less than $2 per week. And in fact, if this person would have told me that she wanted to continue and didn't want to pay the $100 because she was hurting financially, whatever, I would have given her the ability to do so. But what she focused on and what she mentioned was, she said, I don't use the bot. You know, I used the bot early on, but I don't use the bot. And I don't see no value with the academy. And it blew my mind. I said, whoa, you know, the bot is one component. But on top of that, you know, we have the daily live sessions. We have the premium signals that we provide. We have the educational modules. But what we have that separates us from everybody else is a community. Okay, a genuine community where we're like-minded. We're all sharing what's working for us. And we've continued to enhance this platform, leveraging the mindset, leveraging, you know, the abilities and the skill sets of some of our members throughout the community, myself included. You know, so I receive tremendous value, the most value from the community, not from the bot, not from anything other than the community that we have. Okay, so if you're looking for a community of individuals that believe in crypto, that might have lost crypto to scams in the past and have a genuine desire to learn and learn with you, you've come to the right place. And Jack, I know you have, because you've been referred here from Sean, and Sean is an excellent representation of what we are, the foundation that we are here at the Academy. Now, it wasn't myself that put this together. There was a group of visionaries from the founders down to the members that contribute. At the beginning of this session, I mentioned and gave shout outs to Ricky, to Kuhn, to really everybody that's on here, Sean as well, Bruno as well, because of the simple fact that they attend these on a daily basis and they share their input, they share what's working for them. So collectively, everybody that comes here, from the founders down to the members, is truly a team. And I know it may sound cliche. I share this with my baseball team that I coach. Teamwork makes the dream work, or team together, everyone achieves more. And that's exactly what we're doing here at the Academy. Roger said, facts. Now, the 3 pillars of sustainable business model, and this could be not only for the academy, but it could be for anything. If you're in business, you have to do the first thing that I believe is essential. They don't go in no particular order, but you have to operate out of integrity. I tell my children all the time, integrity is doing the right thing when no one's looking. When mom and dad aren't there, we're cleaning up or doing something and the cookie jar is there and you know you're not supposed to eat it before dinner, but you choose to do that. Well, that's operating out of a disintegrity. Integrity is doing the right thing when no one is looking. And if you're in business, you better have that at the foundation. Number 2, the valued proposition. Apart from the compensation, as you guys are going to see, despite it's only one level, we pay out anywhere from 50 to 80% commissions. But besides that, is there value with what we offer, from the education to the community that I just mentioned? And you better believe it, we do. In fact, I've had crypto companies, Forex or educational companies in the past, and I've charged $145 per month is what I charged. Okay, I had an MLM model attached to it, and we reward those that go out and build the business. Well, I found out through time that the majority of the people that weren't building the business had a genuine desire to learn. Okay, but they didn't want to pay the $145 to $200 per month. So you better believe we're offering more than what I offered back then. Okay, and we're selling it for a fraction of the price. Okay, we have members here that have even been here on scholarships. We often have scholarship programs where we give out the subscription for free because we know that with the right mindset, the right individual can come here and succeed. And then lastly, the profitability. Let's not be fooled. We're all here to learn something so that we can secure the bag, right? So we can make money. And I believe wholeheartedly, if you guys discipline yourself to the education, discipline yourself to the implementation of what you learn, success is inevitable. I'm talking a lot, but I get excited when I talk about our community. Now, what do we have here at the Academy? Crypto research tools, YouTube channels that we follow. There's a few of us that are into technical analysis, as you guys will see. Shout out to Fawny, shout out to Wendy, and those of you guys that are into TAs. But for me, I lean on them. You know, I do some bot trading. I have other businesses on the side that take some time away from me, as well as enhancing the platform that we have right here. But I follow those that are successful. Okay, so the same channels that we follow, the same people that we follow, same education and learning tools that we use, we have available for you guys as well. 20 plus modules. We'll continue to enhance that. We have a Facebook group. Telegram group is where everything's at, but we are going to be moving over to Discord. For those of you guys that don't know what Discord is, don't worry about it. It's just a platform like Telegram that is going to allow us to provide the content to you guys in real time. And it's going to make it easier for us to leverage the systems that we use and providing and streamlining that information to our members. I mentioned the signals early on as well. We have premium signals that we offer, which is the actual signals from the pairs, the sizes of the pairs that you're going to trade, the profit targets, stop loss, everything that professional traders trade. Okay. Well, we've partnered with them and we provide these signals, of course, for educational purposes. But, you know, once you learn how to implement these successfully, it's kind of hard not to copy and paste for profits, which many of our members do. Again, access to the automated bots that we use, which I mentioned before, and then the live webinars, Monday through Friday. This right here is where you're going to get the most value in the Academy. Monday through Friday, every single day, we carve out 40 minutes a day for crypto sessions. It used to be every weekend, but because the crypto market's open 24/7 every single day. But Monday through Friday, 40 minutes a day, we jump on here. We talk about everything. Okay. Everything pertaining to crypto. I mentioned early on, we are going to be diving into NFTs, diving into the metaverse, launching our own NFTs, as well as launching our own crypto token, which we already have. We've launched it last July 4th, but there's so many other things and components that need to be done before that, before we officially launched our community. But as I mentioned, every single day we're here together. Now, this is our trading bot, or Bob, as we like to call him. I see we have more participants. Oh, Roger needs to get back on. Give him a second. Welcome back, Roger. All right. Now, what is a crypto trading bot? It's an automated computer program, software. It generates automated profits based upon the settings that we put in there. Okay. We determine the bot, we determine the pairs, we determine how it trades, when it buys, and when it sells. Okay. Excuse me. 5 benefits. There's many benefits to using a trading bot, but here are the top 5. Number 1, you operate in a safe zone. If you guys have been in the crypto space as long as I've been in this crypto space, you've more than likely experienced some type of scam and you lost crypto as a result. Okay. You don't have to raise your hand, but many of us have. In fact, that's where the academy came from. We were in a similar, well, not a similar, we were in a crypto program. We gave back crypto to a company. We didn't get it back, but the demand and the desire was still there. So we came together with the academy. And the awesome thing about the trading bot is that it operates in a safe zone. Okay. The bot attaches through API keys, which basically means that the bot is on your exchange. So if you're on Binance, which is a regulated broker, if you're on Kraken, if you're on OKEX, and many of the other regulated brokers out there, your bot is going to attach to that. Okay. These brokers operate in a safe zone because they're all regulated. Okay. You don't have to worry about them running off with your crypto. Number 2, you set the trading preferences. In the beginning, if you have absolutely no knowledge, then of course, you're going to have to learn. But the beautiful thing is we not only have the educational modules, we work with you guys one-on-one, and we have these sessions every single day. So once you learn how to successfully use the bot, you can start off on demo, then you're going to be able to do that successfully moving forward. You know which pairs to trade, okay? You know when to trade, and you know the settings and the trading preferences that you'll need in order for you to go out there and generate consistent profits. Number 3, the bots use complex trade algorithms. Late last week, I shared a video on how I seen a flash crash with one of the pairs that I was trading, which basically means that in 1 second, I seen the price drop significantly, like 25, 30%, and then shoot back up. Okay. Now, when that happened, the bot bought at a low and sold when the price went right back up. So in that 1 second, the bot was able to execute transactions, execute trades, and generate profits. This is impossible for a human being to do. Okay. Unless you have stuff set in place or you're using some type of software. Number 4, the bots operate 24/7, 365 or 366 on leap years. The market is always open, so the bot can trade always. And as I mentioned before, it's extremely fast and extremely sufficient. Here are the signal analysis. In fact, you know what I'm going to do before we do that, since we're talking about the bots, I'm going to stop real quick and I'm going to share the bot. Okay, so here's the bot. And I'm going to share some results with you, Jack. I think Jack's the only prospect we currently have on, but everybody else, shout out. Welcome back, John. So check this out, Jack. All right, so this is the bot that we currently use. If you look at what I have right here, Jack, you'll see 20 bots. So currently I have 20 bots deployed. On these 20 bots, I'm trading 20 cryptos, 20 assets, which is a crypto, and then I'll trade it with the stable coin USD or USDT. Okay. And doing that, we'll explain to you later. It cuts the risk in half. We'll explain that later. But if you look over here, you'll see the actual profit. It shows you the bot profit. So the bot profit's 55.17%. Phenomenal bot profit and under 5 months, as you can see right here. But overall profit, which is an additional 2%. So close to 58% bot profit in less than 5 months. Some of them
Can I stop you here shortly, Joel?
Absolutely.
Because what people might not see here is that in the last few months, Bitcoin dumped 50%. Most alts dumped more than that.
Mm-hmm.
And still, overall, you're over 50% in profit.
Yes.
Absolutely. The only reason why, the bot.
Yep. If you've been in the
Plain and
market
simple.
long enough, go ahead, Roger.
Plain and simple. There's no denial because just holding, we would have the results. You would have the 50% loss on Bitcoin,
Yeah,
and more than that on some of the alts, and you're
absolutely.
still in profit. The only way to achieve that is by using the bot. Plain and simple. Yes, holding sometimes will make you more profit until one point.
Yep.
When it pumps, it will. Yeah, of course. At that time, when it pumps, it will provide you more profit. But that requires the time to actually make the trades, keep track of the charts, and so on. But on long term, this is the magic of the bot.
Yep.
Simple. And
Absolutely. I like it as an alternative to hodling altcoins. Okay, so Jack, you've been in the market, you've been in the crypto for, I'm assuming from what Sean says, for a while. So I'm sure you know what's been taking place with Bitcoin in the market over the last few weeks and really over the last month or so. And this has been, I've been trading these, as you can see, the longest are 4 months and 25 days. This is not doing anything, monitoring it, checking it once or twice a day, doing absolutely nothing. And with the settings, as well as the investment size, is practically the bare minimum of what you can do. I can narrow the trading range to execute maybe more trades, which again, more profit. But I do this because the more that I narrow it and the more changes that I make for more profit, the more time consuming that it is for me. So what I love about it is I don't set it and forget it, but practically close to it. I just monitor it. As you can see, they've been going on for a while. Some of the results, daily averages, you can see right here. I'm even satisfied with the 0.12 daily average, but on some of them like this one, OXT, which has seen over 120% increase with 134 bot profit, 0.92% is the daily average. 0.97 right here with CRV. So overall, I'm extremely satisfied. Now let's get back into the presentation. Sorry about that. All right, now here's the premium signals. I don't have November, December, and January on here, but they're on the website and I'll update this. But the signals just continue to get better and better. The frequency and the amount of signals that we've been trading are more than they've ever been. And I'm really, really loving the results, especially the additional take profit targets, because that's where that every target above take profit 1 just lets me know that there's more and more profit being secured by our members. Okay, so again, everything that we provide is for educational purposes, but we show you exactly what's working. We show you exactly what's working for us. You do it on your demo, you ask the right questions, you do it, and then you determine your risk level and whenever you're ready to go live. $100, as I mentioned, guys, 12 months for $100 breaks down to $10 per month, less than $2 per week. Excuse me. And that pays for everything pertaining to the academy, signals, community, access to the group, access to the training material. If you choose to use the bot, because we're more than just the bot. Okay. You can use the bot if you want to use it. I recommend using the demo for sure. Okay. It's absolutely free. You don't even need your credit card to do so. And you can test it out. So definitely do that, Jack, even if you choose not to use it. If you choose to move forward from there, getting access to 2 bots is $29 per month. It's non-contractual. You can stop any month. And then 5 bots is going to cost $69 per month. 20 bots is going to be $149 per month. All these prices increase since we launched the Academy last year. The bot works really well. The community within the bot continues to grow. And as a result, they increase the price, which I don't necessarily like. But just know that the Academy and the Academy founders are working to create our own bot that does everything that we're used to, but we're going to sell it for a fraction of the price. We also have an affiliate component here. As I mentioned before, we pay 50 to 80% commission. So if John joins, we're going to pay Susan 50% of the $100 that we bring in. And then for the bot, it pays out 30% commissions. If you continue to go out there, we have affiliate ambassador program. So refer 2 people, you're bronze, you're getting 60%, silver at 10 people, 70%, and then gold at 25% or excuse me, 25 people is gold, and you're getting 80% commission. So taking the bulk of what comes in. Now we only have 4 minutes and 35 seconds left. So I'm going to stop sharing my screen. I'm going to say thank you guys for attending. Thank you guys for watching the video. And before we close out, I want to bring on Sean. Sean has Jack. Sean invited Jack on here. And, you know, you got 4 minutes, Sean, if you can just share your experience with us, with Jack, and then anything else that you want to share with him. I don't want to steal your thunder before we close out. Sean, can you do that, my man?
Great, thanks a lot, Jill. My name is Sean Darling from South Africa. I started with the Santiago Academy. It's about 4 or 5 months ago. And the amount that I've learned is a lot more than I fathomed to get myself on YouTube and all these other free available places where you can source all the information from. And what's nice is that back in the past, I never had a measuring tool to, calculate and discern if it's the correct information or not. Now we've got Fania, master trader. Julia's a brilliant networker. Roger does all the experiments in the background. And when I say experiments, he's even busy with games that, nobody asked him about it, but he's busy playing the games because he wants to earn crypto. That's amazing. And that fact in a community is just what brings it all together. Each one has got our role and we want to do it. It's not like, hey, Jewel, you need to be here tonight. Jewel wanted to be here tonight. He wanted to give us the presentation, even though there was nobody here. And then when Jack popped up, like, hey, now I can actually do that. And what's lovely about this, every time I come on here, like everyone has improved in their own ways and means, and that's the brilliant part about this. Even if the market is down, guess what? There's still a silver lining in the dark clouds, and with crypto, you can't ever lose unless you sell it. So just hold on to your crypto. If you feel in the loss, forget about it. Set a reminder for a few months' time when Bitcoin is like 6 times the price it is now. And I'm still rooting for that $130,000 marker for Bitcoin in the next few months. This was just to shake out all the guys with their multiplier trades, to get the money liquidated. There's a website, people lose millions of rands over liquidations. And that's what I love about the way of trading, using Bob to trade for us. I mean, the main factor there is he doesn't use emotions to trade. I see opportunity, I can't help myself. So Bob is ideal for that. And even while I sleep and I'm on holiday, guess what? Bob is trading and making money. And that's the selling point for me. Thank you for allowing me to share that. Thanks, Jill.
No, thank you, Sean. We have about 1.5 minutes. Jack, again, I want to say thank you for joining. I discussed this, me and Sean were going back and forth. And if you are down for a commitment, if you're down for a cool community, we want to gift you with a free scholarship to the Academy, all of 2022, my man. So if you're down, Jack, you don't have to pay the subscription fee. We'll get you set up for free. How's that sound, Jack?
Sounds amazing. Thank you very much.
My man. Hey, Jack, welcome to the community. Let's all welcome Jack to the community.
Yeah, cheers today. Welcome.
Sean, get him your registration link, get him signed up, and then send me his username so I can activate him. Now, with that being said, I want to thank you all for joining us. And I'm going to ask my brother Roger to go ahead and close us out with some wise words from the wise.
Wow. You just took my breath away, because this is the power of our community. This is what we are. We love each other. We won't be lonely at the moon, guys. Take care. Peace and love. See you all soon. Ciao.